Seth Osei no.
Ogobo boy. Ogobo boy onya no.
No, so onya growing so dey.
Onya growing.
Growing dey obetuma na ntini wanya.
Ana wonte.
Minti.
And sorry checking.
Minti zo pra because we gra minim se match omuko okobi. Ti minti zo pra no pa nyina madi nkomo konkran.
So okọ nyina ase.
So obebo bi die. Ene die. Ndi minti minchire. Ndi minti minchire.
Oh.
Ti growing dey say the minia zakeke ndi e wona mo obi ti ma frosoro akra no wanya. Betima didi awie no wanya growing. Nti ene die.
O di bi ni nya growing.
Oh, what ko na sia didi a be mo so mo si.
Ba to abas no so.
Sa.
Growing dey nya didi.
Ena minim so ko na cha etimi ba o.
Growing no ko na cha.
Oti ene dey na ba, e dey na ba.
Growing ya na twon.
Good.
On say sometimes be a wo tumika. Na when free muscle no. On so bi o nine con stretch.
Eno ko na ye mo sa dey aba se ateka azongo.
Oh, sciatica, they say usually I know waist around the waist. So I sciatica.
Between or ties.
Your tie, no. It's just a tree, no. I want to hear chumpa. Yeah, no, you know, usually need 2 serious 3 weeks. 3 weeks, then you back rubber. And we just said,
okay. And the idea,
now with my check, yeah,
you've got me, Madame Como answer and you rest to do.
I knew
so training.
News striker no man.
News strikers no onu so muguso. Emi adu nkosi anwumre no. They also be count on the count the one van count so no. E be van this ah. Because they edika ka say the omo ye nyina nyina na je ho be dey sorry o. Nyina nyina na je ho. Enye nyina na je ho. But e pese say ne no mkoro boko. Je no mkoro boko. Ne sa.
Mama mo ska bi so mo ban.
But dozi.
Mo no mo kombo ko say.
Ye no mo kana boko say de first one say ba na no mo na akofanse bebere aba ti ayi adu say do mo ye no enye ni nyina ni je ho ba we say recruitment o mo ye ya o recruitment ya your opponent for ye na the compare
opponent bank
difference room difference
opponent recruitment ye
opponent recruitment ni different any the difference room
so
le dey no was kakra che dey
I didn't know
o so okay players ya offer wo na hwe dey so ye kwa apart from Seti you doing for player bia
sir
you doing for player bia or premier player bia in fact premier player bia apart from we ni no renew o masa ne o makasa Aziz ne asibi what is that number 2 no number 2 onya problem no onya problem o
I'm
Badu apart from no yantimi anya big fish bia nka ho ke yempenesa yanum bi say yempe because baby ye ko no se pese ye ko ne ye ko duru ni yi a
na nye we mu ana bogodu o baby mu azeze
say ese ya to aso ti say wo to aso na ye hu se de wo de ba no reversia na ye de ko de a ye ni nye ho sa ti ke se ka baby ye wo no de obaba bia na che omo wo ho no ba do ko fa de won se nduru omba de a that means nye onim na apesa wo ko eno na bi enim bia na ye joy kana man fonti as ne say ye hye yenye di da bi ye hye yenye di ngam dodo say nkwan bo na ye bo aye hye no na ehu se bia me standard ni yakofo bed ba o bed o anu abas ya hye 3 o bed ya hye 7 na yakofo bed abeka abas ho ni ye koyanim na bo wakofo bia wa hye wan go beka me ho ai nervous dia eti ye die ya ni esu se yesi ye kese no omo ye ni ma omo de omo nya ne kese ma ye ne kese ma nya esu be mu ye kese. If you are be able see there is no motivation about to motivate to akra amana chi akra ntienta the level you go training kura it is o ya de na say o ya kese a o de ye o so ya kese e na ne amantimi nkoso because the opponent for ye se faba o mo a ye fifre beti yan
opponent ben
fama o mo fifre beti yan oh adin de no kura de one work fama o fifre beti yan and ya me ba ya no na sinema woni Hussein Bolt tumri kana se wo bompa se wo bedi kana wo te hia nkamba ye no wana no ko peta se nkamba ye no
on sorry bra
o bedi nkomra
so well
me otu
abas the opponent here foul by hardness opponent men are okay
once nations is so strengthen Kotoko strengthen and media may try so baby enti so wo share Ghana league no top
nations are fine
nations
some they are my favorites and you say omna me pese o but it looks to me like they might win this league.
They need to fix their home. That's their only problem. And your home man, come and fix your home man.
Say Kotoko intimi anya nations.
Mr. Otuo, let's not count. I'm starting to believe Gold Stars because of their home form. Quite crazy if you honor.
Homes are
Gold Stars.
Gold Stars here, third on mine.
Or the best home team.
And a half here fourth.
Okay. Gold Stars here, but the best
Kotoko, Black Ocho. Kotoko, Nations.
Gold Stars.
Gold Stars has.
Let's not count Midiama also out.
Yeah, the fourth.
Oh, but
Yeah, what do you go to fourth?
let me
Then
go
you
to-
want to say.
General, what do
You
you go
open
to
it
fourth?
one here. no?
Mrs. a far. Mrs. a far. General, what do you go to fourth?
Oh, but say recruitment on the day. And come on, here, how people are recruiting, improving, strengthening and improving their teams.
Yeah.
And one I can hearts I've done only Seth Osei. Kotoko, for instance, all the strikers for him, you know, cry in your form. And when I saw my sign number 3B, I signed number 2. Until the Omo, you know, nations.
What's our son number 2, number 3?
Son of my train, of course, you know, I'm
Do you call on?
the call Osiki Salam. And just almost probably count. At the point, I was going to consider signing a goalkeeper.
I'm signing.
Okay.
I'm signing goalkeeper Benjamin Chum. So I'm for goalkeeper right back. I can left back and center back an announcement. No.
Then I free on or hoba announcement.
Yo, Minyanya.
I also say the restriction no will be yeah, and then I'm going to try
Ah, you don't some movie
answer.
The bad didn't make us an.
Before already have got you.
Oh, Ghost Stars already your mom here. Now already nations, so yeah, nations no home former. Come that through at Timo. And to him was a car signing. Strike cannot count on there. We are well.
The House of Folk team now. Goalkeeping department. Dear Benjamin Asare chair there. And I did the Shaibu show up so be there with Takwesi Inketiano. Kakra. Goalkeeping no. A right back Yaya Dramani be here competition. But the good news is that I'm Peduba. So I'm Peduba no betimi maintaining a form like that. Pedu and Nimo Legon City sir. Okay. And don't forget Emmanuel Amankwa to me say bought has right back or the boy no find free as a cam no timbebo. Now left back Ransford Mensah he's been solid. Now Oniwa Amankwa na to me bo. Nti say me otu almost situation you know they don't need right or left. Now center back Kunedu Yadom ewo ho. Calvin Osei Sibe ewo ho. Michael Ewa Mensah wo ho. Amofa is also there for a hard to folk. Tisa was our 4 we are ewo chire ho to some extent me to na say upon Fran so the can one na 5. The 5 center backs you don't really
45
with the 40 so in terms of numbers and even what these players will be out on the form will be to the abano. We are okay. Now, Theophilus Collinson, number 6, and on person more Eddie Aziz Nuruddin Bekao. Now, this house number 6, yeah, came. I'm offered to me boss 6. Say, do the diabetes nakobo. Upon Franny to me boss 6, call upon the boss 6 as a defensive midfielder so many times because time working facer. Or call national under 20, no, trainer, under 23, no. Now, yeah, China. Any ebla na nebo ntimi to oba na ball na ni mienu ne bo no the only way kin face abetimi ama na koso abo sene ni position one national team no betimi anya was to play him as a defensive midfielder and we to on say o ma decent passes into onu kura betimi abeye substitute into na has na defensive midfield they don't have an issue baby I'm to 20 nyina dey anu atum ne ye from 8 6 11 and 7 what thought about a 4-1-3-2 system on what typical wingers? Nti 3 na ejina 1 nanim that is Collins na omo hold on to the ball take ons Emma passes and can also score if a center forward is near occupied. Nti ona no about Sani Hussein Mohammed Salim Adams no about Alfred Ramsey. Ramsey no about Ramsey so don't find fi ni wadu biase no omo na no bom ntina bon say amankwa ba fi se na nya bimbo esubonten en se na nya bimbo ha team no Suraj crowd this season yen tin nka and these are players on fans from here proper wingers because of how Obon. Now so to a hono and a Salim Eko Moldova and a Saniko. Tiona Nama phone say getting one is not enough. But once a house a corner God Eko fa asma biaba. So I made for that. You who know, you nimbobo or Division 1. But I just one player. Omoko fan the Abba Medford. In Tines,
Has Mumford in Division 1.
yes. The Omoko fan band you Division 1.
Has Mumford.
Yeah, say to Medford they see Ramsey no Division 1.
Division 1 never has
Who said
already you two or that? See you two say we are the bondi Aiba. Say Yaba.
Aziz.
That be by touchman here assigning. Okay, set Yaba. And I use Swaba. Aziz in Swaba. Engineer the Division 1 for no. Ababeshi. I'm going to be a general, but you cause some doors.
Now ko has anymore. Utu Sani Hamza Isa na wenya Mauli Wayo Kwabna Boateng and Samoa Boateng. Today no so you 4 our house anymore. Timoto in terms of numbers any nipa ne dodo ne de nanka wo hwede anka obeka say okay general transfer no to is that you are going for an upgrade of the one dada. And currently in the league upe some midfielders na center forward they upgrader anoding you to bebre pa then they say we break the bank now we team because fast starter they say league no I say na Heart of Lions Nations FC Asante Kotoko Mediama Heart to Folk oh and a Go Stars sa teams way or more chance of winning the league as top 6. Then you come to the middle bear 4-5. As for me, you saved or you saved. Let's not forget Bechem United. Bechem Soka top 4 no home. To Babina Samates, Baseke Holy Stars, in Suatre. As for my bro relegation for us, Bomumbro Subebre, Ulusu 2, 3, 4 matches. Ubet me at Tiako Kamo. And you was here for Accra Lions, Dreams, Legon Cities. Young Apostles almost line up Karela was here. Ediana Afro, but 2-3 matches went me renew beba. That is the dynamics of the league. You the upper 7 competing, the middle 4, 5, or 6 are some years saved. They cannot win the league based on more points, but they can go to relegation. Any or more fighting relegation. So at this point, the upper 7 is open player. Unfair because so GD so beat me at the league. You know. Middle hono in Suatre, Samates, Basekemo, Ediana Mono. Okowa, onye safe. Inti so be jema mau. Now the aqua strengthening with team is another conversation. And I see off one crowd on one try cry. Because on the or the red line. Into us study the kind of players now clubs need to now. Intertransfer in him. Say we are kofa we dear, we are kofa we dear, and said him. And mostly we took quite waba. And now say Samano Obientimian register no and our Kwakofano. Into check Kotoko. Kotoko afa Kwame Puku. Obae, Wakono Aba. Eduku, Wakono Aba. Minta, Wakono Aba. Now, Daniel Ajete right back at Kotoko Fani. We took quite waba. Akwesi Asante we took quite waba. Or you go to Division 1. Enti Michael Sefe Kotoko Peno for center back we to Division 1. So we checking nations are. Nations Sefe Christopher Nete. Nete obia ntimi register no obo beach ball, beach soccer. And our boy almost 6 months he maintaining the fitness and urban nations. Emmanuel ano any bechem contract we. Emma net na fie ye training and a nations are register no. Akesi from Division 1. In so check on set nations send him so mtimi kokoto obi no. Who said then we samate service to wa oba Steven Nyako. Eco nations. Asqua Deportivo ni Steven Nyako. Ono so no fie. So that has been the transfer hard to folk. Or the players are not your more asem and or register more. And wakofa set to say or a Division 1 player Edne Babishim. That has been transferred until we are to way we are to wear free hand nim. Oh, so to some extent, you know,
Abreford to Abreford,
to some extent, you know, has a much better center forward than the Omuya. Once a coach in both front two. Tima is a biakunya, the Kwame Poku type nibi, the Bright AJ type, Minta type nibi, and a Duku type nibi, because they say locally, and only the abit me a dihunkomo. And I say, be a what breaking the bank about nations, abefa, chaute, but nations in Femau. Ukasa oko brekum Chelsea for Amankona, on Femau. And Tiakoya said, you have to be content with what you can get in the transfer market because of how complicated and your money here. So for her to folk, it can get better, but they can still manage this. The issue about winning the title for us, how solid home ne be. The two has were issues with home. Kotoko were issues with home. I say and once sa ain't me mbomo. Nations were issues with home because Gold Stars Bechem United home no go area. The other nations etimi are picking yourself because Heart of Lions or how Lions feel. So apart from winning Huawei, you should also make sure that home bear formidable because this season has a loose Gold Stars with you. Ono na won na pre Mr. Otuo Atena na be show. Second round wo be ko has a loose Baseke. We about draw against Diana. And he said, we recorded this kind of scoreline. Now, say total points are being of you know, I'm an abba form. Banka has any summates a cover draw. Has a kwakoshe Midiama, which is an advantage. Has a kwasha young apostles. Only nations about the draw. So, Kawe, no, Nka Has is doing well. But unfortunately, I'm not being complimenting with hope. In the second round, they say Legon Park, no. They say Has target me, say they must win all matches because the Ghana Premier League, they call 18 teams, you know. We have 62 points and upwards to win the league. They say Has was 29. It means that the basic Ghana Premier League statistics now, yeah, Has should be getting around 33 to 40 points in the second round. Sana wait me league. Kotoko you fortunate now say Mr. Otuo almost 31. Into what mean be 33 become one. Unless say league be keenly contested send ye kuya anya sa with 63 upwards ultimate league no. Into say her second round ne fie die. Omdi obi a to the proper position. E wo house matches to be bo fie no. Na away no obetimi wura mu e ko stop bi mu. Because Has bebo fear against Heart of Lions on any press or channel. Has bebo fear against Kotoko. And you mean make the SOye. If you want to win the league. Has bebo fear against Midiama. Midiama Kahobi. And Has bebo fear against nations. Nations so Kahobi. So you see, if you are beating these clubs, you get the advantage over them in terms of points accumulation for the second round. On the part of Asante Kotoko, Otuo, I think say yemma coach resources. Na any headache every coach so Asante Kotoko team ya yesade Mr. Otuo. Because baby na sinto ewa Asante Kotoko team no. Ometimi affix it. Kotoko had issues with attack because yes. Because na Awuche entimi fire. Na Awuche entimi fire.
That's only Kotoko.
But now they've gone in for Kwame Poku. And so 4 matches was 5 goals. That's a proper center forward. The Albertamu pra but Kotoko won't complain. Baby Abbas me shom say be ne ye da so ne tese Hamza e ko 2 months a. One e be se ho. Aba be she go no. Asebes. Ba Kotoko aye with Kwame Poku why o de bi aka with Eduku. And a mintakure nyan start. Now why extend the Blay contract? It's all part of signings because Sankwa Timia extend and Blay beko. But why extend my Blay stay and just March the 17th team of the week Justice Blay Dinwo or make it the team of the week. Kwame Poku make it the team of the week. Now next hono Kote prior Akakofa right back aba and the Ababeka Ogum options so. Then they are in to get a left back and another center back. To make sure say center back options they be 4 instead of 3. Mr. Otuo, if it's about this, yeah, now so you coach, including goalkeeping department, come Mr. Otuo, ko fe bi account. Send yes, Asari ni ho, se Fatau said, you know, se Kamara ni ho, you still have options. Into for strengthening of a team there, and this is Asante Kotoko IMC na and Otuo, if they are demanding the league title from a coach, a Ogum, or a trophy from Coach Oguma, they are not far from right. They are making good use of the transfer market, and that is not a bad one. For a team of nations, why a Juma. Once I know so buy to actually 3 goals. Emmanuel Anono, also buy or to Tranima nations, pa. Inti, a kind a issue of a fear. They need to fix their home.
Okay.
And yes,
but you say you can say pony no. I feel much aye. This is scraps now not going. I said Mako.
Oh my jaya saying na bas wo.
I see
Don't van go to Titanic. Oh my jaya asane de de nya.
And so I say more of a
I see the same
Go
Van
mum pre.
and
Maybe so to Titanic.
I see the same Van Gogh.
scraps now.
I see.
Or this scraps are about
I see.